Guys, today my other vlog. So today I'm gonna be showing you my fidget spinners. So let's go. So right here it says Giselle's fidget spinners, and let's open it. So this is I have it like in a little envelope. So let's go. So my first fidget spinner that I got. I'm just gonna call this one the colorful one. Oh my gosh, what happened to the? And look, that's how it looks. When you take this off, this little thing off, it will look like that. What happened to it? Oh guys, look. It's right here. So my first fidget spinner that I got. In the end, I'm gonna be showing you something. So stay tuned. My second fidget spinner that I got. It glows in the dark. It turns green. And my final fidget spinner that I got is blue. So I only have a little bit of fidget spinners, but I'm making more. Until so yeah. And this is how you turn it on. Like right there, you see something black right there, and you can see like all the little. So let's see which one lasts longer. Okay, so the first one, the colorful one. The second one, the glow-in-the-dark one and pink. The third one, the sing-song one. So let's see which one. So, ready? You march. You ready? Set, go. First, second, third. See which one lasts longer. So I see which one. So these are all still going, and this one perhaps not going anymore. And this one's the loser one, the first one that I ever got it. The second one. The third one that I got it, and we still have the third one. So it has now finished. So this one lasted a little bit longer, like at least this one finished first. So this one was like a minute, let's say. And this one this one lasts longer, so it was like 15 seconds. So yeah. So down below which one you like. And this one. So yeah, remember this one is the one that let's show you fast mount.